Good morning, trading gang. Good morning. It's your boy Nikki Pitts. We're back at it again with another live trading session. So it's Wednesday, February 18th. So we'll see what the market's going to give us this morning. Market's going to open here in about 5 minutes. So let's get into the chart. So let's go look on the daily. Let's see if we get some rejections or anything. So we have two bearish rejections right here. But we got to see how price is going to play out. This price could easily keep pushing down. So because we've had some nice push to the downside. So, but the trend is still bullish. So we got to see what the market shows us. So we can see here we had a push up, made a lower high, a higher high, and then consolidated, and then we had a higher low here, and then we had a lower low, lower high, lower low. So we're kind of consolidated here. We did break out, but we have a little bit of a pullback here, so we should push to the upside. I think we should be able to break this level of supply right here and kind of target these highs. But we'll see. So I like to always wait 15 minutes after market open. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna wait here on at least the 30-minute and see what price does. So I am noticing here, like I have this, I don't use this PO3, but I just use it for this shows the daily candle. So what this shows me is, even right now, I have no top wick right here. So that usually means that there could be a lot of selling pressure. But it could mean that we can actually push all the way down to probably here or to this yesterday's low. So that could be a possibility. We could push down to this previous weekly low and then yesterday's low. So those could be possibilities. So, but price could actually just rip to the upside here. So we pretty much need at least a break above here. We go to the 15 minutes. Yeah, so I'm going to mark up this low right here. And then we have a high right here. We need a breakthrough. Now we could possibly see, but we could definitely tap into here. It does rip to the upside. Of course, next might be this high right here. That'd be a nice high, and then of course up here would be the next one. So we just gotta see what price is gonna do. So we got about a minute until market opens. See what she does. So we're getting a nice push to the upside here, but see, we could actually push to the downside.
Cox Internet has the fast, reliable.
So we'll see here. You gotta be patient. But for y'all that are on, show some love in the chat. There we go. We're gonna push to the downside. Market just opened. But we gotta see. We can have a huge rejection. So just gotta be careful. So we broke out here. Price could pull back. So we'll see what price does. There you go. There's that pullback. So it's kind of like a break, a retest. See if it continues to go through the good takeout to the upside. That's a nice rejection there. There we go, here on the 5 minute. We tapped into it also. Look at that, huge rejection. So if we break above here, definitely taking bottoms. Huge rejection. So this is possibly waiting for longs here. Price right below here. So we want to wait for confirmation. So we probably target a 1 to 3 maybe. I'm going to go for a contract. We just need confirmation. That's a good confirmation right there. Wow, look at that rejection. So let's see how this 5 minute candle closes. So let's see if my boy Julius is on.
Waves are moving slow tonight. Every breath feels synchronized. No rush, no weight on my mind.
Stop.
Drifting with the tide.
There he is.
Yo, what's up?
What up, bro?
Let the water pull me in. Feel the calm under my skin. Ocean flow.
I'm looking for buys on US30.
Where I wanna go. Ocean flow. Losing time, losing control. Ocean flow. Take me where I wanna go. Ocean flow.
All right, gang. I just want to make sure we don't get caught in consolidation or anything like that. So I'm just waiting for price to come above. So at least around 49,729. We need to push.
I'm gonna buy on gold.
Okay.
Gold has been fucking rallying like crazy since Asia session.
That's good.
Like reflections on your face.
I'm waiting for US30 to break out of this range
Moments flow.
so we don't get caught in consolidation. It made a nice projection.
Everything is in its place. Ocean flow. Moving slow. Moving low. Underneath the open sky.
Quick, choose a meal deal with McValue. The $5 Mexican meal deal, the $6 McDouble meal deal, or the new $7 Daily Double meal deal. Each with its own small fries, drink, and 4-piece McNuggets. There's actually no rush. I'm just excited for McDonald's.
For limited time only, prices and participation may vary. Not valid with delivery.
Working across teams is tough, but Asana helps you handle it. Asana AI can spot roadblocks and assign work.
I hate these commercials on YouTube.
That's how work gets handled. Visit us at asana.com.
Should get YouTube Premium. I have YouTube Premium. It's awesome.
Hearts are beating.
It's another cost that I don't want.
It's just so worth it because you don't have to deal with any ads. But I watch YouTube all the time.
Yeah, I'm not on it that much.
Yeah, my main subscriptions are Spotify Premium and YouTube Premium.
That's cool.
US30 might be good for buys now.
Order filled.
Yeah, I just got in a buy position. Yeah, I'm in for bias.
City lights are fading slow. Hearts are moving down below.
All right, Trader Gang. We just got into longs on US30. So you can see here we're up $76. We're shooting for a 1 to 3, almost 1 to 4. See if price can get there. But this is the trade that we're in. So we're in a buy on US. We'll see how it plays out.
We are endless in the light, drifting through the silent night. No resistance, just the right hold the moment. Stay inside. Waves are feeling soft and wide. No more need for us to hide. Every echo is a guide. Take the rhythm as your tide. Breathe in, release. Stay here in the light.
Did you end up profiting off that Bitcoin yesterday?
Just a little bit. I don't know how much I took home. Like $20 or something.
Okay. Where's your account at right now?
$87. I bought another Take Profit Trader account. That counts at $140 to this is a drawdown.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
It is what it is.
What's that?
It is what it is. I don't know what it is, but with Take Profit Trader, I'm having a hard time with it. With Apex, I could pass it in one try, but I think it's the fact that I have to trade it for 5 days. But I know that's like about a whole consistency thing, so I'm struggling with that. It's just a new way of trading.
Yeah, you gotta shed your old ways, bro. Because your old ways are killing. Just gotta take your time. There's nothing wrong with being patient, taking your time.
No need for answers. No need for light. I follow the rhythm into the night. I listen.
Price just tapped into London high.
Yeah, it's gonna blow through it.
Yeah, I think so too.
Might have like a little bit of a pullback, but it's gonna blow through it.
I kept on trying to short gold last night on fucking, but it just kept on fucking rallying like crazy. I don't know what it is, but there's something news related. I think I had to do something with Iran.
Yeah, it could be.
Yeah, because fucking gold just kept on, ever since market opened, it just kept on like slowly trickling up. If you look at the market structure on gold, last night it just kept on going. I was like, stop, you're too high, bro. Chill the fuck out. And I kept on trying to short it. I kept on getting fucking caught.
Once you just stay with the trend, bro. It's going up. That's you go up with it.
I was trying to catch the reversal, and the reversal just never happened.
See, for me, that's where like you don't really value the higher time frame. The higher time frame matters. Because you don't have to necessarily go on the daily. You can just go on the 4 hour and it'll tell you everything.
We don't rush into the feeling, we don't try to hold it tight. There's a calm in letting go. In the middle,
I'm up $28 on my live account. It's nice.
Nice.
Oh fuck, this pullback. US30.
Yeah, it's gonna happen.
As the sound begins to rise.
I'm curious how much Mamba made on these breakouts. It just broke out to the downside, broke up to the upside.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure he took that sell right at market open.
Yeah, I was in that sell too, but I got stopped out of break even. I got stopped out too. I had a tight stop loss.
Every step is drawing circles somewhere deep within. And if the light begins to find us, we don't break the atmosphere. We just stay between the moments where everything feels clear.
And it rained so fucking hard here last night, I couldn't even sleep. The rain was so fucking loud.
Yeah, it rained here also.
Yeah, you guys are getting our leftover rain.
Yeah. It's supposed to rain here tomorrow also.
Late night whispers in the air, your perfume everywhere. Slow beats running through my head, every word you never said. Street lights melting into gold, your touch never gets old. One look and I'm falling in, let the night pull me in. Every step, every sound, we're floating off the ground. I don't wanna come back down, not tonight.
This distance to drawdown on Take Profit Trader is wild, bro.
I know. It's so crazy.
Yeah, because I was up like $200 or almost $300. My distance to drawdown's at 1,500 right now, but I'm only in drawdown by 200.
That's how they make their money.
Yeah.
That's how they make their feria.
Crazy. I added 2 more contracts right when price pulled back.
At the top?
Yeah. Because on the 15-minute, it had blown past it, so it didn't show an indication of a pullback.
Mm.
So, but it did it at the last minute.
Your eyes telling me stay, so I do anyway. No clocks, no reason why, just smoke and neon sky. If this moment's a sin, I'm diving deeper in. Every step, every sound, we're floating off the ground. I don't wanna come back down, not tonight.
But I think price will still continue to push up.
You're under my skin.
It's kind of like a fake out for the buyers.
Every beat, every move,
It took some of their stop losses out.
you're under my skin. Oh, like a sweet original sin. When the lights fade in, you're under my skin. When the morning finds us here, fading echoes disappear. If this night has to end, you stay under my skin.
Oh man. You know how my mom's struggling with dementia?
Yeah.
So yesterday morning, after I was done trading, actually right before I was trading, I saw my mom eating raw cookie dough on a plate.
What?
Literally raw cookie dough on a plate. Like, I was like, Mom, what the fuck are you doing? She goes, "What? I'm hungry." And she's like, "I can't find anything to eat." And she was like, I was like, "But you're eating raw cookie dough." Like literally, she opened up a raw cookie package and she just put on a plate, put half of it on a plate and put it in a microwave. And some I could tell because some of the cookies kind of exploded a little bit. And then she put the rest on a bowl and she was eating them with a spoon. I was like, "What are you doing? You look like a little kid. You're like a child." It was like, "Oh, I'm hungry." I was like, "Oh my god, you can't be doing that, dude."
That's crazy. Hey man, you gotta let your mom live, bro.
Shit, she's gonna have massive stomach aches from doing that.
Yeah. True. I'm back up 200. Thank God. But I knew it was gonna pull back. Yeah, it's looking good on the 15 minutes. So I think we're Gucci now.
Paces running through my veins. Every move is breaking chains. Your breath closer to my skin.
Gucci Monica Bellucci.
Rhythm pull us in. We don't care about tomorrow. No more fear, no more sorrow. This feeling we can borrow. Tonight is all we know. Take my hand, don't let go. Time is moving way too slow. In this moment, just you and I, let the world pass us by. I'm lost in the night with you. Nothing else feels this true. We don't need words to say. Just let the music play. I'm lost in the night, oh. Feel the fire, feel it grow. Under stars and flashing lights. I'm lost in the night. Lights go down, hearts collide. In this beat, we come alive. If this ends, it's still alright. Lost in the night.
And the way that gold's rallying, it's gonna hit six. It's gonna hit the new all-time high.
I personally haven't even looked at gold, bro.
It's supposed to be the gold killer.
Not no more. Right now, gold's killing people. Taking their
Almost
money.
killed my account last night.
Yeah, let's see what's gold doing. Yeah, gold's super bullish for sure. Yeah, it'll probably definitely tap into 5,050. Easy. US30 is struggling to break above that high. Should be able to do it though. Because we have so much liquidity, like on the left hand side. And we had that dump back last Thursday. Like price just tanked. I think it's gonna try to retest all that.
Between the waves and every breath, I forget what comes next.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a coffee.
All right. God damn, girl. God damn, girl. Where's you headed?
No direction, no control, just a feeling, soft and home. Between waves and breeze,
All right, looks like we broke above that high. So it looks like we could be.
Yeah, she gone.
Coast is clear.
Yep. She gone. She said, bye, Felicia. See you later.
Bye, police.
Damn, US30 and I'm watching US30 and gold. They're so similar right now. They're just fucking shooting up like a boner. They're like boner jams. These are like boner candles. Bye.
Loving it. Yeah, I have my take profit at 50,175.
Soft and white, nothing heavy on our minds.
Damn, Nas is doing the same thing as US30, just has another boner jam.
It's just pushing up.
These Trump markets are fucking insane.
Every way
They sure are.
knows our names. In this blue, we stay the same.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck, gold? Why are you pulling back so hard?
By the tide.
And gold and US30 did a crazy pullback right now.
Yeah.
Held by the tide.
Just gonna do a break and retest. You gonna work today?
No, I'm off. I gotta go take our little girl, I should say. We gotta take Honey to the vet for her last shot.
Mm.
Then I have a haircut at 1 o'clock. I think my interview yesterday went really well.
That's cool. What kind of questions did they ask you? Oh, what is it? The position for a trainer, like a trainer position?
No, it's for a teleops position. So it's for a position upstairs in mission control.
Oh, so you don't have to be on the ground as much?
No, I won't be on the ground at all. I'll be in the office.
That's cool. Like more like a desk job?
Yeah. So basically, what we do is we basically create the path for the robo taxis or the data collecting vehicles.
Mm.
So in the event that it follows a path that, say if there's anything obstructing it or, there's something new on the road, we create an alternate path because it's in autonomy. So it's running autonomously. So sometimes we have to step in humanly and create a path for it.
Mm.
So that's what we do. So but it was cool that the shift supervisor that interviewed me, she's from the Bay Area.
Oh, that's cool. Were you like bang bang Niner gang?
No, but she kept saying hella, and I was like, yeah, you're definitely from the Bay. I just need US30 to make that push to the upside. I'm already up 150 pips or 150 points.
Nice.
So its price is tapping back into that high. So I need to see.
I think it's just gonna break and retest out of it and continue higher.
I just don't want it to hit that high and then just consolidate. Because usually when we have these small rejection wicks, usually it means there's not enough buying pressure. Let's see. Well, price did tap into a demand zone on the 1 hour. So we'll see if it can break through it. Should be good.
And these markets are eating up sellers like crazy.
Yeah.
It's insane.
Yeah, like I've been looking on my story, and like a lot of these traders, like, yeah, some of them made a lot of money and some of them got clapped.
Dude, I got my ass clapped last night. Fuck, dude. It was like clapping my cheeks left and right. That sounds so gay, but but it is what it is.
Yeah, that is not.
It's like clap, 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 clap.
No.
Like bad boy, bad boy, bad boy.
No. Not on my live, bro. You should look back at some of my lives and look at this stuff that we talk about. It's hilarious.
Should get a video editor to watch our content, like Big Daddy Max and Llama.
I know, right? Like, what are these traders talking about? Once I hit 500, I'm going to take half of my position off.
Yeah, I just asked ChatGPT what's making gold so bullish today, and it says central banks, especially in emerging markets like China, are continuing record gold purchases, diversifying reserves away from U.S. Treasuries amid fiscal and geopolitical uncertainty, a structural source of ongoing demand. This trend underpins stronger prices. Yeah, you know it. And persisting geopolitical tensions globally, Middle East, Ukraine, etc., are pushing risk-adverse investors toward gold as a hedge. Classic safe haven behavior that supports higher prices. Yep, that makes sense.
Yeah. Gold will always be a safe haven. Nice, we broke above 500. All right.
Order filled.
Secured half of our position. We'll let the rest run.
How much are you up right now?
540.
Nice, man.
Yeah, 560.
Oh.
Yeah, if it hits my TP, I'll make 1362. All right, trading quick trade update. We secured 500 on the account. We took half of our position off the table. So if you see here, we got a nice push to the upside. So we're still running 3 contracts. So we're hoping that it'll hit TP. We already secured 5. So we're at 575 right now. And we're just waiting to see if price hits our TP. So we'll see how the rest of this trade plays out.
I felt the weight of every silence before I learned to let it go. Somewhere in the quiet, I found my way back. Still inside, every feeling learns to hide. Feeling like butterfly, every feeling learns to hide.
So we're having rejection at a demand zone. So we'll see if price keeps pushing through it.
I'll be right back, bro. I need to take a shit.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
You good, bro? All right, chat. So we're gonna see if price can keep pushing up, which I think it will. Just because again, we have to look at the 30-minute here. We have all this liquidity right now. So price is gonna want to tap into these levels. So even tomorrow, I could see us even being bullish and continuing to keep pushing up. So because I have this level right here, this is this is a supply zone right here. So supply zone, previous demand zone. So if we even put like a little line right here, that's where we want to tap into. That is our TP. I firmly believe we can push through that unless price just doesn't want to push past this demand zone right here. So we have to break through that. Which again, I think we can. Just got to be patient.
The sky is falling into gold. Every shadow feels so slow. Nothing heavy in my mind. Just the light we leave behind. Sunset motion in my chest. Every feeling comes to rest. Sunset motion. The lights are low. The room is calm. I feel the beat. It keeps me warm. I'm not chasing anything.
So price is pulling back a little bit here.
Just letting go.
So it didn't want to continue pushing up from that demand zone. So, but we could be able to break it. We'll see. This could just be a minor pullback.
Like it already knows. I breathe it in. I feel the sound. Feet on the floor.
I'll be right back, chat.
No rush now, nowhere to be. Just this moment, just me. The lights are low. The room is calm.
All right, we're back, chat.
I feel the beat. It keeps me warm.
So typically we have like a 730 reversal, but price should keep pushing.
Just letting go. Just listening.
A strong belief. Again, there's so much liquidity over here. You gotta fill it. Not only that, on the daily, like we're pushing up. We have all these rejection wicks right here. The price needs to push up and tap into this area right here. So, because we already tapped into here, so this was again a demand zone, which I think price can break through it. Gotta see.
I breathe in. I feel the sound. Feet on the floor. Heart unwound. No rush now. Nowhere to be. Just this moment. Just me.
A new 15-minute candle is forming. So we got to print bullish. We got to keep going. The price is tapped back into this high, so we need to continue to break this high. So I firmly believe we can break it.
It's just the beginning.
Just got to be patient.
I'm just getting started, but I'm feeling like I'm winning.
So, but we're still up for $430.
Everything I want in my life seems like it's within reach. So I wanna soak it up like I'm a sponge or get swallowed by the sun. I wanna get swallowed by something. 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 Just like a sunflower, yeah. I'm turning towards the sun. Don't wanna lose another hour until my time is done. Just like a sunflower, yeah. I'm turning towards the sun. Don't wanna lose another hour until my time is done. I wanna get swallowed by a sunbeam. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause I'm getting swallowed by a sunbeam. And I wanna get swallowed by a sunbeam. Yeah, yeah, get swallowed by a sunbeam.
There we go. We need that push.
Swallowed by a sunbeam. Yeah, 'cause I'm getting swallowed by a sunbeam. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, 'cause I'm getting swallowed by a sunbeam. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, 'cause I'm getting swallowed by a sunbeam. Oh, 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 oh.
Whew. I feel lighter. And that 7:30 a.m. reversal does not miss.
Yeah, we haven't had a reversal on US30 though.
It's just a small pullback.
Yeah.
But it's like the start of it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, well, that rejection happened way before. It happened at 10:15 or 7:15. But it's just going to continue pushing up. We're just making a higher low.
Swallowed by a sunbeam. Get swallowed by a sunbeam. Get swallowed by a sunbeam. Swallowed by a sunbeam. 'Cause I'm getting swallowed by a sunbeam. I wanna get swallowed by a sunbeam. 'Cause I'm getting swallowed by a sunbeam.
I wanted price to hit my TP, but I don't think it's going to get there. It's just not enough volume.
Where's your TP at?
It was at 50,175. So, because I think it's going to retest that demand zone again and hopefully break it, but we'll see.
50,175. I think it's still good. I think it's still good there.
I don't know. I don't feel like there's enough volume because it may start to consolidate right here. because it tapped into that demand zone, and it may not want to push any further like during this session.
Come on, Nicky Diamond hands. Hold that shit.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna hold it until it retests that demand zone again. So we'll
I mean,
see.
there's a demand zone at 49,982.
Yeah, well, the demand zone that it just tapped into was 49,967. So I'm trying to see if we break that, then we're solid. But if not, then new. Yeah, because we have another demand zone at 50,097. So we'll see. Because I'm just below 500 in profit right now. So I mean, I'm okay with just taking 500 again for the day.
Yeah, you just gotta watch your distance to drawdown.
Yeah, but this is a drawdown at 1900 or 1900. So I'm solid.
Yeah, that's good. Mine is at 180.
Yeah, you gotta watch that. Yeah, I broke above 500 right now. So. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's see if we can break this high. 49,967.
I like how on Take Profit Trader there's no consistency rule.
Yeah.
That's really nice because that thing always hung me up on Apex.
Yeah, but
always pissed me off.
But even if I did have a consistency rule, like I'm killing that shit.
It's like I'm running from something out of the shadows. It's like I'm running from something.
It's crazy how in like just like 40 minutes, like I've made what I make in a day.
It's like I'm running from something.
Yeah, that's trading for you.
Out of the shadows. It's like I'm running from something.
Yeah, some of these traders make people's whole salary for a year.
Yeah, seriously. I mean, Mamba, for example, he makes that shit. Like, makes it look so fucking easy.
No, he makes that on one trade.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta see how this 15-minute candle closes. 5 minutes.
Come on, gold, don't pull back on me now. Now you want to go for sells? Piece of shit. Piece of shit.
Piece of shit.
Why don't we go out tonight? There's a good show on. I've been thinking too
I only need $1,000 more to hit my buffer.
think I should stop and
Yeah, you could easily do that.
Yeah. There we go. US30 got a nice push.
Yep.
Just gotta see if we can break that demand zone.
I'm alive. You said, just do what you love. I do it for you. I try to stay in your mind, but I think I fell through. Then it got quiet, then it got loud. You should have seen it. You should be here now. I'm alive. I'm alive.
We got news today.
What time?
11. We got FOMC meeting minutes.
Shit, I wasn't aware of that.
Yeah. I think that could actually continue to push price on US30 up even higher.
Mm-hmm. I haven't heard much from the new FOMC federal chair, Kevin Warsh.
Yeah, no. They're supposed. Well, they haven't appointed him yet.
Him and Jerome Powell are probably doing handoff documents, handoff meetings.
Yeah, like he's a candidate for it, but they haven't really appointed him.
I thought he's already appointed.
No. At least I don't think so. Oh, I guess he did.
Yeah.
Huh.
Jerome Powell remains as chair of Federal Reserve with his term set to end in May 2026. However, President Donald Trump has nominated former Federal Reserve Governor Kevin Warsh to succeed Powell as the next chair. Warsh's nomination is pending Senate confirmation.
Well, it says here in one of the articles that if approved by the Senate, he'll take over. So he can be like Trump can select him, but it doesn't mean that he has it. So the Senate has to agree to it.
Yeah. And such an important job. That's fucking crazy job.
Oh yeah.
Imagine being in charge of the Central Bank of America. Fucking insane.
Oh yeah, it's stressful. All right, new 15-minute candle. See if we're gonna push to the upside or we're gonna reject.
Hold on. Let it go. Stay close.
And gold's pulling back hard.
You know, it's crazy. On this account, you can't trade news.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Take Profit Trader, you can't trade any news at all.
What happens if you do?
They liquidate your account, so they take you out of your trade.
Oh shit! So NFP, CPI, you can't trade them.
Anything. They literally will they'll cut you out of. They'll close your trade.
That's whack. It's 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after, right?
Something like that. Yeah.
That's whack.
So like if I wanted to hold this until meeting minutes, I can't.
I mean, you can still hold it, just as long as you're holding it before.
Yeah, but you want to make the move when it happens. Yeah, price is rejecting to push past that demand zone. Just gonna wait for it to pull back a little bit and just close. Oh, we got a nice rejection. That's good. I'm gonna see if price can retest that demand. Just gotta have diamond hands.
Just the feeling. Only of you. Stay here. Just the feeling. just a feeling.
Hey, I'm gonna close my trade.
Order filled.
Close my trade. Almost 1 to 2.
I think it could still go up.
Yeah, I just don't want to stay in the trade that long. All right, I made 506 for the day, so I'm good.
Nice. It was up 250, but now it's dropped to $33 because price is still pulling back.
You're down to what?
$25 now. I'm pretty much at break even.
Oh, okay.
Across the sea.
Oh, where this other cell came in.
Golden moments.
Weird.
Carry me.
Oh, so my account's at 51,015.
Drift away. Drift away.
Oh, I started to journal again.
Hallelujah. I'm glad for you, bro. All right, trader gang. We ended up closing our trade. Price is just not wanting to break above this demand zone. So, but we did take a nice profit of $500 on the day. You can see there, $506. We got the account to 51,015. So that's it for the day, guys. So of course we can see prices rejecting right here. We have a demand zone over here. So price is rejecting that. So we're taking our profits for the day and we are done. We'll come back tomorrow. And hopefully we can do it again. So we're $1,000 away from hitting that $2,000 buffer. So let's go. Stay tuned for the next slide.
Drift away.
go to the next slide, and I'll show you my trade for today and the profits we took, and we will come back tomorrow. Yeah. All right, that's it, gang. I'm going to close the stream here. You saw it live. We took a nice almost 1-2, which is perfectly fine with me. So we took a profit of 503. So not mad at that. We're at 2 for the week so far, and we'll come back tomorrow, and hopefully we can do it again. So appreciate you guys popping on. Hope you guys took that trade with me. Just pays to be patient. We are going to hopefully get a payout by this Friday. And yeah, tomorrow morning. So peace and love, y'all.